Business news now, and we are bringing in our friend Mike Apple, starting with Amazon. Good morning to you, Mike.
Yeah, good morning, Melanie. Record-breaking holiday sales for the world's biggest internet retailer, $3 billion in profit. The sales results for Amazon, north of $70 billion. Big gains pretty much across the board, as you might expect, for Amazon, which, of course, is getting back now into more bricks-and-mortar retailing with its ownership of Whole Foods and other mainline stores. The forward guidance, though, for Amazon is below forecast, as they're warning about rising costs as they ship more goods globally. And this has got the stock down 4.5% in pre-market trade. Amazon, though, is the world's most valuable company based on Wall Street metrics. January was the best month for stocks, the start of a new year in years. In fact, for the S&P 500 on Wall Street, the best since 1987. And the TSX, it's coming off an 8.6% gain for the first month of this year, just 3 negative trading days for the entire month of January. We've had a lot of talk about interest rates holding steady. The earnings have been pretty good, and investors buying back in. Of course, Bay Street last year lost over 10%, so a nice bounce in the first month of this year. Another sign of the slowing GTA housing market, the numbers in from the building industry and land construction group saying that new construction home sales fell to a 20-year low last year and down for the second year in a row, specifically for single detached homes, higher price points. There is some discussion about what the election campaign at the federal level may have in store for the mortgage market this year. There's talk that the federal government might be loosening up some of those mortgage rules after putting new rules into effect at the start of 2018, perhaps even offering 30-year amortization on some mortgages. And Roger, yesterday we were talking about the record-breaking earnings at Facebook, and all sorts of people, despite saying that they were going to quit social media, with the data privacy issues, didn't turn out that way. A new study, however, indicating this morning that there are some benefits to actually signing off on social media. It comes from the New York University and Stanford University, along with just getting off of smartphones and staring at a small screen. It apparently leads to a happier quality of life if you detach from social media, just because you have to deal with, in the U.S. specifically, all about polarized politics. Big problem there. Back to you.
You know what I find strange, if you've really, like,
Yes.
because we live on the phone, right?
Yes.
Trying to have a normal conversation without the phone involved?
Yes.
It's difficult to get it started, right?
I know. And it also, you know what, if you're not staring at your phone all the time, apparently you free up an entire hour per day to do other things.
Go to the gym, hang out with friends, all that stuff.
There
Beautiful.
you go. But nobody will do that.
Thank you very much, Mike. Have a great weekend. Phone free.
You too.
Phone free.